Right. So, in my last post, I said I would be taking a break for a couple weeks to take care of some IT projects here at Bob's, and that was back in August. So, yeah, it's been a little bit longer than a couple weeks. During that time, I ended up actually moving offices, and, well, the projects turned out to be a little bit bigger than I expected. But hey, this actually works out good for us because I was planning on doing a whole series on fall and winter gardening. So, now's the perfect time of year to dive back into that and finish up season 2 of the Keep Growing podcast. And before I go, super secret thing right now. If you go to our website, there's a banner up at the top of the page, and if you click on that, you can enter to win a travel mug. We're going to be doing the drawing on October 31st on Halloween. The sign-up form, it closes October 30th. So if you head on over to bobsmarket.com, you can sign up for that. And, well, until next time, keep growing.